Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI Photo Remaster on the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro. So if you want your photos to be enhanced with AI, so for example remove blur, remove some objects, or even improve sharpness on some of your photos that you've taken, there is an AI feature that lets you do that. And let's say for example I've taken a photo. So I have a photo like this right here, and let's say you want to edit it, you want to remove some features or change something about the photo. So to do that, we're going to tap on the pen icon on the bottom, and then we're going to press AI Editor. And here we have a whole bunch of options that we can play around with. So we have AI Recompose, which basically changes the resolution of the photo and maybe makes a subject that it detects like the center. As you can see, it detected the plant as the subject, the main subject. And this is what it looked like previously. This is what it looks like now. And it gives you a whole bunch of options. So something like this, and like this. So it changes the aspect ratio. And you can select an option that you want and then press done. So I'm going to use this one. This looks pretty nice. And then we have the AI Eraser, which, well, erases some of the things in the photo. So let's say I want to erase this thing in the back right here. So we can either use the lasso, the paint over, or people, remove people if there are people in the photo. So I'm going to use the lasso and just kind of draw this little line over this box right here, and it's going to remove it. Well, it's not always perfect. It works mostly with things that are smaller or things that blend into the background more. So maybe a person in the background or something like that. So if you try to remove, for example, the Samsung logo right here on the top, it detects it and it tries to remove it. And as you can see, it worked a lot better this time. So this is what it looked like before and after, and as you can see, it worked much better. So let's move on to the next thing, which is AI Relight. And this works only with portraits. So if there's a face in the photo, and it basically makes the photo have different lighting using AI. So if you want that, you can also use it. And there's also AI Perfect Shot, which also requires people's faces to be in the photo. As you can see, no faces detected. But if there are faces, it's going to make the shot better, trying to include all of the faces and make them clearer. And speaking of clearer, we have Enhance Clarity. And it does pretty much what it says. It basically enhances the clarity of the photo with AI. So we can, for example, zoom in on the leaves once it stops generating. So let's just zoom in as close as we can and compare. So this is what it looked like before, and this is after. So a pretty subtle change, but it is noticeable in the full picture. So as you can see, some of the things do get a little sharper. So that's Enhanced Clarity. We also have Unblur. So if your photo is blurry, for example, something was in motion, and you want to remove that blur, you can also use Unblur with the help of AI. And it doesn't really work with this photo, I don't think, because there isn't really much blur. But it appears that this time it worked, and I'm not sure where the changes are, but it did remove some blur right here, as you can see. So this is what it looked like before and after. So this is basically how it works. It works better on things that are more noticeable. So maybe something really blurry in the front of the image. We also have Remove Reflections, which removes the reflections from photos. Maybe you've taken like a photo of a TV, and let's say the TV reflects you back into the camera, so you're kind of standing there taking a picture of the TV in the photo. And if you want to remove that, you just use the Remove Reflections. As you can see, this is how it works. It removes this reflection right here. So this is how the thing works. So it removes of the reflections that are available in the photo and that are most noticeable. So It wouldn't really work with this photo because there aren't really many reflections to work with. But if you have a photo with actual noticeable reflections, it should work fine. And that is pretty much it for all of the AI features. So once you've done all of them, once you've made your photo, you can press done and then save to save your photo once you're done playing around. So you can either save a copy or replace the original. I'm going to save a copy. And there we go. This is what the image looked like before. So something like this. And this is after. So pretty nice. So this is the AI Photo Remaster. And this is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.